Good evening, everyone. We are gathered here today to discuss Excel into Financial Wellness and how it contributes to the Financial Peace University that many of you have heard about by Dave Ramsey, as well as the Total Money Makeover. The purpose of us being here today is because everybody wants to make a change in their life. Each one of you has decided that you want to know more about getting to financial peace. You want to know more about getting rid of your debt. You want to take control of your life and your finances and budgeting to the fullest potential. We here at Excel into Financial Wellness live by seeing you guys succeed. We know that we have a job well done, and we have done everything we can in our power for you based on your feedback, how you take the information provided and incorporate it in your daily lives for the rest of your lives. This is no walk in the park. This is a very long journey, and it is going to be very rewarding when you get to the end of it. You will never turn back. This is a lifelong commitment, and this is something that you will do every day in your daily life to make sure that you can live like no one else later in life. You have to live like no one else now so that you can live like no one else later. Excel into Financial Wellness will set you up with a debt coach. Your debt coach will go over all of your debt with you. They will go over your goals with you, your wants and your needs. You will be able to understand 100% the debt snowball, how that's going to work for you. You're also going to be educated on the 50-30-20 rule, which is how much you're going to set aside for your budget each day, each month, each pay period. Every dollar you make will be spent on paper before you get paid. That is what you have to do to this. You have to be dedicated. You need to have extreme dedication, and don't let no one tell you what you are capable of. You decide what you're capable of, and you decide whether the dollar is worth it for this candy bar. Or you know what, maybe today it's not worth it because I only have $5 till the end of the week on my budget. You pick and choose so that you can control your future. Excel into Financial Wellness is a program. It is $100. It is a online program that you will sign up for, totally voluntary. At any time you want to walk away, you are able to walk away. If you want to live debt-free, you can log on for that year, a full year subscription with the online program for the $99. You can also try it for 14-day free trial. And that means you pay nothing and you have full access to all of our benefits. You will only get one 30-minute session with your debt coach if you are on the 14-day free trial. Going forward, you will get at least one per week, one 30-minute phone call with your debt coach per week to stay on track, address any questions or concerns that you may have. If anything has changed and you want it to be a little bit different, you'll be able to discuss that as well. But the purpose of this program is for you to succeed. We want you to succeed so that you can go and tell your friends and family, and you can have them come here and succeed as well. Debt is not a way of life. 80% of Americans are living in debt. They do not believe in financial peace, and they do not think that there is any other way of life other than having debt. That is false information. Do not feed into that. Be the difference. Make a change. Take control. Start here today with us. It is completely voluntary. Once again, you have nothing to lose. If for any reason you decide it's not for you, you don't have to pay for the next year. If you decide that, this is great and you're going on and you get everything done and you reach your goals, you don't have to do it anymore. You can just maintain. It's like anything else in life. If not, and you fall off track again and you want to come back and you need a debt coach again because you like that one-on-one, feel free. Pay the $100 again and go through the whole program again. Or at that time, you can do the free trial. It's completely up to you. We will sit down with you one-on-one and we will go over your finances, your debt, and explain to you how we're going to get you to the end. You will list your debt for the biggest debt first down to the littlest debt first. That's how the debt snowball works. We will get rid of the smallest debt first, and then we will compile those payments to the next payment, and then we will eliminate that. So say if you have a $500 credit card, a $2,000 credit card, and a $5,000 credit card. We're going to get rid of that $500 one first, because that is going to be where you see success. You have to see it to believe it. And when you see that happening, it's going to motivate you to be even more dedicated and get through this program. You will make it to financial peace. We have laid everything out for you to get you there. You'll use the debt snowball. The 50-30-20 rule is 50% of your funds go to savings, 30% is for your bills, and 20% is for your wants. You will need to establish what your wants are and what your needs are. Our debt coaches are here to help you. Any questions or concerns you may have, that's what we're here for. We're a phone call away. You log on at your convenience, and you can either join the live meetings or you can watch the recorded live meetings. Completely up to you. But we are here for you and to get you to financial peace. We do have a waiver that you can sign if you want to sign up for the 14-day free trial. And at the end of that 14 days, you decide you want to sign up, you'll already have the paperwork with you from today. You can do credit, debit, or check. I'll take any questions at this time. Thank you.